Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to add guests to your Asana projects, a complete 2025 guide. First up, you'll need to locate your Asana project. So, log into your Asana account, navigate to the sidebar on the left side of your screen, and click on the title of your project. This step is crucial because it allows you to manage and control who can access your project. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step. Look for the Share button, usually located at the top of your project. Click on it, and a new window will appear. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Clicking the Share button opens up the settings for your project, giving you the power to add or remove members. Next up, you'll need to add your guest's email address. In the window that appeared, you'll see a field labeled Add People. Type in the email address of the person you wish to invite as a guest to your project. The reason we do this is to ensure that Asana sends an invitation to the correct person. Once you've added the email, hit the Invite button. This helps us because Asana now knows to send your guest an invitation to join your project. They'll receive an email with a link to accept the invitation and join your project. Let me explain why this matters. By inviting guests to your Asana project, you can collaborate with people outside of your organization. They can view, comment, and complete tasks, making them integral to your project's success. So there you have it, folks. You've now learned how to add guests to your Asana projects. Remember, collaboration is key to any project success, and Asana makes this a breeze. Invite your guests and get ready to take your project to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.